Hello everyone, here is a review about Fisher-Price Rainforest Melodies Sunlight Deluxe gym. I love this gym because my little baby is kept amused for hours. He's encouraged to move his legs and arms and become alert to different images in front of him. This baby mat is a very good size and perfect for a baby to be placed in the center. The surface is extremely soft and comfortable for baby to lie on. The theme is the rainforest, so this is enhanced by the use of a four-pronged arc that stretched over the mat. It is made to look like palm trees with the flash of a beautiful rainbow. I'm using this gym for my second baby already, and I can say that this baby gym certainly has all the right elements that encourage the stimulation of a baby motor skills. Included in the whole gym are small animal plush. This includes a swinging toucan bird, a little hanging monkey, and a smart giraffe. These toys are within easy reach of your baby and will help them learn how to stretch out and take grasp of things. There are also additional objects to get their attention. This includes spinning butterflies, rattling beds, and shiny mirror for them to discover their own reflection. An additional element to this multiplay gym is the fact that there is a music and light mode. Once it is switched on, musical tracks will play. The sounds are recordings of the things that you would actually hear in the rainforest. All you need to do in order to activate the sounds and lights is to insert two batteries. Lively rainforest sounds and music play for up to 20 minutes. Includes volume control for quiet play. Movable and stationary toys encourage exploration on the overhead gym or for tummy time play.